Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a hard drive of a ASUS laptop. Shouldn't be too hard. As you can see, this is the laptop right here. I'll show you how to remove it. Let's just flip it. Usually put it like that and start removing a few screws. Okay. That one is kind of hard. I'm not sure what happened to the screw, but we'll remove the other ones. Okay, and I think we have one more. I think we have this one here. There you go. Just need to pressure a little bit. And then just make sure how it is. Very simple. So put that on the side, and then as you can see here, we have our drive there. I'll put it here so you guys can see it. A few things we need to do, just lift that. Put it here. Has a little tip on it, and just let's see if there's some screws there. Yes, there is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, only 3 screws. Pretty much I've done this before, so I just wanted you guys to see how it is done. Just make sure. I think I remove a few screws. Slide. See, it was like this. Just slide and then just lift it. Usually. Okay, let's just do that so we can pull it. There you go. There it is. Alright, that's it for today. So pretty much this is how you remove the hard drive if you want to replace it. So if you have a new one, you just put it back in there, and that's pretty much it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.